In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Foxit PDF editor, a fundamental skill if you're managing PDF documents and need to streamline the content. Let's dive into it and walk through these steps together so you can carry out this task with ease and confidence. To begin, you'll want to have your PDF document ready. Go ahead and open Foxit PDF editor and launch the specific PDF file you'd like to edit. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the top of the interface. You'll see a series of tabs and options laid out in the ribbon at the top. Here, you want to locate and click on the Organize tab. This section is designed for managing the structure of your document, making it easy to tweak and adjust as needed. With the Organize tab open, it's time to choose the page or pages you wish to delete. If there's a single page, simply click on it to select. However, if you're planning to remove multiple pages, you can do so by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. Maintain the pressure on the Control key while clicking to select each additional page you want to remove. This nifty feature allows you to manage numerous pages at once without too much hassle. After you've made your selections, it's time to proceed with the deletion. Look up towards the top menu bar where you'll see the Delete button, or alternatively, look within the Organize tab for a similar delete icon. Clicking on this will initiate the deletion process. Don't worry. Foxit makes sure you have a chance to review your decision before finalizing it. A Delete Pages dialog box will appear, bringing up an overview of the pages you have selected for deletion. This is your opportunity to double-check and ensure that the pages listed are indeed the ones you intend to remove. It's always good to take a moment here and verify your choices to prevent any accidental loss of important content. If everything looks correct, you can confidently click on the OK button to complete the process. And there you have it. Those pages will now be removed from your PDF file. Take a moment to save your changes to ensure everything is up to date. Deleting pages in Foxit is a straightforward task once you know how, and it can really help in keeping your documents neat and tidy. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. Happy editing with Foxit PDF Editor.